Hello everyone! Today we are going to talk about a very interesting topic. Okay, that is interpreting. That's right, interpreting. But first, I want to tell you about something. A lot of people think interpreting and translation, they are the same thing. But they are actually very different. The differences are the first. In the interpreting, listen and speaking. Listen and speaking. But in the translation, they are read and write. Okay? And then profession. In the interpreting, you can call them interpreter, but in the translation, you can call them translator. Next, interpreting with the real time, but in the translation, usually with the delayed time. In the translation, without gestures, but in the interpreting, gestures is very important, like expression, body language, and anything. So, in the interpreting, from speaker to interpreter, next listener. But in the translation, author, translator, and reader. Okay, that's all of differences about interpreting and translation. Okay, now we are going to talk about modes of interpreting. First, consecutive interpreting. Usually consecutive interpreting, the speaker paused, and then the interpreter speaking. Usually the interpreter take a note. Consecutive interpreting in the small meeting. Next, simultaneous interpreting. Simultaneous interpreting. Usually the interpreter inside of the booth. This mode in the international conference. The interpreter used headphone and microphone. And the next, whispered or shisha touch, French language. Whispered with the loud voice. Whispered like simultaneous but for a small group. And then, sign interpreting. Sign interpreting, usually in the business meeting. The interpreter read a document and then speaking. Read and speaking. No. Listen and speaking. But in this mode, reading and speaking. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you for watching. See ya!